views. Get those motherfucking views, and subscribe. Views.